Let's talk about the library. A library is a place where you can borrow books for free. Inside a library, there are many shelves. A shelf is filled with all kinds of books. Some books tell stories, and some books give information. You can find books about history, science, animals, cooking, travel, and even art. There are also special sections for children. They have picture books and simple stories with lots of pictures. To borrow a book, you need a library card. You can get one at the front desk when you join. You walk around the library and look at the shelves. When you find a book you want, you choose it. You bring your books to the front desk. The librarian checks them and scans your card. You can borrow the books and take them home with you. You usually have about 2 or 3 weeks to read them. When you finish reading, you bring the books back to the library. You put them in the return box near the door. Each book has a due date. You need to return it by that date so other people can borrow it too. Inside the library, everything is quiet and calm. You speak softly and you do not make noise. Many libraries also have computers. You can use them to search for books by title or topic. Using a library is always free. You do not pay to borrow books, and there is no membership fee. The library is a welcoming place for everyone. You can visit anytime you want to find something interesting to read.